Myself, Dr. Kapse Valmik Shamra, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, Dada Patil Mahavidyalaya Karjat, District, Ahmednagar. Today we will see the topic aromatic hydrocarbons. Introduction. What is meant by hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are the compound containing only two elements, that is hydrogen and carbon. The compound which contain hydrogen and carbon is known as hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons plays a key role in our daily life. You must be familiar with the term LPG and CNG. LPG is abbreviated from a liquefied petroleum gas and CNG stand for compressed natural gas. What is meant by aromatic hydrocarbons? Benzene and its alkyl substituted homologous are known as aromatic hydrocarbons, or it is also known as arenes. General formula is CnH2n-6. Suppose two similar group is attached to the benzene ring, then it is known as homologous, that is aromatic hydrocarbons or arenes. You know the benzene ring. First example is benzene. Second example, benzene ring attached to the CH3 group, then it is known as toluene. Benzene ring is attached to the CH2-CH3 group, that is ethyl group, it is known as ethyl benzene. If benzene ring is two similar group is attached, that is 2CH3 group, then it is known as orthoxylene. If benzene ring is attached to the cyclic ring of propyl, then it is known as cyclopropyl benzene. If benzene ring is attached to the CH double bond CH2 group, then it is known as vinyl benzene. Nomenclature. The root word of benzene derivative is benzene in both IUPAC and common name. When only two substituted is attached to the benzene, then it is known as monosubstituted benzene. Example is, if benzene ring is attached to only one substituent, that is Cl group, then it is known as chlorobenzene. If only one CH3 group is attached to the benzene ring, then it is known as toluene. When two similar substituent is attached, suppose example is 2NO2 group is attached, it is similar at 1 and 3 position, then it is known as meta-dinitrobenzene. When two dissimilar substituted is attached, that is chlorine and bromine, then it is present at 1 and 2 position, so it is known as ortho. Suppose chlorine and bromine is present at 1 and 2 position, then it is known as orthobromochlorobenzene. Examples: mono-substituted benzene. Mono means one substituted is present at benzene ring, then it is known as mono-substituted benzene. Suppose chlorine is present at benzene ring, then it is known as chlorobenzene. If NO2 is present at benzene ring, it is known as nitrobenzene. If SO3H is present, then benzene sulfonic acid. If OH group is attached to the benzene ring, then it is known as phenol. If NH2 group is attached to the benzene ring, then it is known as aniline. If COH group is attached to the benzene ring, then it is known as benzoic acid. If CH3 group is attached to the benzene ring, then it is known as toluene. Di-substituted benzene. Di means two substituent is present at benzene ring. If two substituent present at 1 and 2 position, that is A and B at 1 and 2 position, then it is known as orthobenzene. If A and B are present at 1 and 3 position, then it is known as metabenzene. If A and B are present at 1 and 4 position, then it is known as para. Example: if 1 and 2 position chlorine group is attached to the benzene ring, then it is known as orthodichlorobenzene. If at 1 and 3 position If 1 and 3 position is attached, then it is known as meta. Second example is meta-nitrotoluene. Third example is para position, 1 and 4 position, then it is known as para-fluoroacetophenone. Third example, tri-substituted benzene. Tri means 3 substituted present at benzene ring. Numbering is given 1, 2, 3, 1 position chlorine group, 2 position NO2 group, 4 position NO2 group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbering is given, then it is known as 1 chloro 2,4 dinitrobenzene. Second example is 1, 2 numbering is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 position chlorine, 2 position NO2 and 4 position is ethyl. So it is known as 4 ethyl 1 fluoro 2 nitrobenzene. Third example is 3, 5 dimethyl 1 nitrobenzene. At 3 and 5 position 2 methyl group, so it is known as dimethyl, and first position NO2 group, so nitrobenzene means 3, 5 dimethyl 1 nitrobenzene. Fourth example is at 2 and 3 position 2 bromine group and 1 position is methyl group, so it is known as 2, 3 dibromo 1 methyl benzene. Next example is 2 and 6 position 2 bromine groups, so it is known as 2, 6 dibromotoluene. Preparation of benzene from phenol. How will you prepare from benzene from phenol? When phenol is reduced to benzene by passing its vapor over heated zinc dust, then we get benzene. Example reaction, you see that phenol plus Zn heated gives benzene plus ZnO. Second reaction is by decarboxylation, preparation of benzene. Sodium salt of benzoic acid on heated with soda lime gives benzene. Soda lime means NaOH plus CO. When benzoic acid, sodium salt of benzoic acid heated with soda lime gives benzene. Reaction is given, benzene ring attached to the CONA plus NaOH heated with CO gives benzene. From acetylene or ethene. Benzene is prepared from ethene by the process of cyclic polymerization. In this process, ethene is passed through red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin. This ethene molecule then undergoes cyclic polymerization to form benzene. 3 molecules of ethene heated with red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin gives benzene. From benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene can be prepared from sulfonic acid through their hydrolysis. In this process, benzene sulfonic acid is exposed to superheated steam, leading to the formation of benzene. Reaction is benzene sulfonic acid, benzene ring is attached to the SO3H plus H2O steam at heated 150 to 200 degrees Celsius. SCl pressure gives benzene. Thank you.